Hello everybody. Thanks for joining me out on the trail on this beautiful day. We got some snow yesterday and I'm off work today. So I thought it would be a great day to hike up the little hill here and make a little food up the top. And I know I have been absent off YouTube for quite some time right now, and I've gotten a bunch of questions on my channel. So I thought, you know what, let's hike on up here, find a nice spot to kick back and relax, enjoy this beautiful view, answer a couple questions, and make a nice little lunch. So if that sounds good to you, come on along. Let's make some food. Just got this new insulated slip cover for the Hillinox. Check this thing out. Oh yeah. Oh, no more cold buns. Okay, we're descending off the top here. After I finished my food, it started getting a little cold and windy, and I just didn't feel like sitting up there in the cold and wind and answering questions I'd gotten on my channel. So I figured, you know what, I'll just start descending here and I'll answer them on the way. So we got all packed up and we're just cruising down now. And I guess I'll jump into it here, answer some of the questions. So, you know, I don't have the biggest channel. I'm only like 180 subs deep, and it's still a big passion of mine and something I like doing. Jumping right into it with the first question that I've gotten repeatedly from different people is, am I, you know, done with YouTube and am I not posting any more videos? And the answer to that is no. I'm still going to be producing content. I'm still going to make new videos. I have no intention of shutting down my channel or stopping. I haven't really put anything out since my AZT videos. And the reason for that is my life over the last 4 months has been kind of chaotic. And it's really prevented me from making videos and editing content. And I've had a lot more, you know, other stuff that's a bigger priority. And so, you know, after I got off the trail, at that point I'd already quit my old job and I got married. Me and Bianca got married back in April. After that, I went to several spots interviewing for new positions and finally settled on one that I was really happy with. And then me and Bianca had to pack our house up and rent a U-Haul and drove on up here and settled into our new spot here in Park City, Utah. So it's definitely been a little touch and go, but we got settled. We got an awesome new little spot here. I love my new job, and you know, it's kind of just been taking a lot of my time getting into our new spot and jumping into my new job and learning everything that I need and getting settled. So kind of my backpacking and hiking has taken a back burner. So yes, I will be making more content here. Hopefully getting out for a bunch more day hikes, the hike, cook, and chill. We live right off the bike path here, so up until winter gets really gnarly, I might do some like biking videos and cruise around Park City and you know, stop and do some little lunches with the MSR. So I love doing that, and you know, if you guys want to see some more of that content, let me know. Other than that, I was thinking of doing a bunch of videos on like how I pack my backpack and what's in my med kit, and you know, tips on sleeping better in the woods, and you know, other little things that I can just hike out, make a cool video about, and get some content out. So if you have any other ideas or suggestions or stuff you'd like to see from me, let me know, because I'm more than happy to make some cool videos and show you guys or answer some questions if you got some. So one of the other questions I got was how I like my new backpack. I know I posted an unboxing video, and then I took this guy out for like a couple test hikes and then took it out on the Arizona Trail. So I'm thinking about doing a review on my Hyperlight pack here and going over kind of some of the features and stuff. So another question I got is about my fluffy boy Appa and if he's going to be coming on any more hikes with me. And the answer to that question is yes too, although he's getting up there. He's 11 and a half years old now, and you know, I definitely can't take him on these like super intense hikes anymore. So yes, I will be taking him out on the trail with me, but we'll be taking it easy. We won't be doing huge miles, but a lot of the hikes around here are like kind of short and sweet, and you don't have to be out on the trail for hours at a time. So with those ones, yeah, I can definitely see him joining me. And you know, when I do videos like this, like the hike, cook and chill, or you know, where I just hike out and talk about something, I can definitely be bringing him, because it's funny, a lot of people love seeing him in my videos. And it's funny, the ones I don't post them on are the comments I get. Where's Appa? What's your dog doing? So yes, I'll be bringing him on some more adventures as well. Well, that's pretty much it. I got a couple other questions, but they kind of overlap other stuff. So I figured I'd touch on those ones, which were kind of like the biggest questions that I got. And, you know, again, I'm not done. I'm going to be producing more content and shooting videos here. So big thanks to everyone who's supported my channel and, you know, has subscribed and hasn't unsubscribed, you know, and just said, oh, this guy's not producing videos, I'm out of here. So I always appreciate it. It's great to hear feedback from people. I love getting engaged with this community and talking with people about our, you know, shared love of the trail. So here's to the next trail. I'll definitely be hitting some more for you guys, and looking forward to producing some more cool content and bringing you guys along for some more adventures. Well, that's gonna do it for me on this one. Hey, you know the drill. Always bring plenty of water. If you're getting out on the trail, make sure you leave no trace. Pick up some trash if you see it, and respect these beautiful places we get to go adventure. And as always, I'll see you guys out on the trail for the next one. Take it easy.